Let's go on a little journey of freeze-drying lemon heads. Stay tuned. Later in the video, there will be a recap of the steps that you can pause and screenshot, or just bookmark this video and come back and watch again when you are ready. Ready? Let's get some lemon heads onto the pans. Tip: since they puff up so big, you can put much less on the pan than you see here to avoid them being a stuck-together mess. You'll want to test different amounts out. Next, we are going to put them into the freeze dryer and get these babies going. First, we are going to heat them up and use the vacuum pressure to soften and expand them. Watch my next steps. When I touched vacuum, it will toggle on. Just wait for it. Maybe yours is faster. Watch as they begin expanding. They are starting to move. First, we heat them for 20 minutes inside the machine on functional mode at approximately 150 degrees. Next, we close the valve and flip the vacuum on in functional mode. Watch till the pressure drops and you see them pop open. Next, we run them for 6 hours in dry mode at 145 degrees, or if you are using candy mode, 150 degrees. Now you can see the white middle has burst wide open. We will remove them after 6 hours dry time. The results are in. Here's a recap of the steps. Pause the screen, take a screenshot, or save this video and come back and watch it again later. If you enjoyed this, we'd be honored if you subscribed.